You can order the cabin air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. To access your cabin air filter, you will need to completely open the glove box. Press on each side of the glove box to release the plastic tabs from their slots. Then open the glove box completely. Press the two tabs of the filter tray and pull on them. Remove the filter from its tray. Before putting the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
You can order the cabin air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new filter. Pay attention to the direction of the airflow. The arrows on the filter should point down. Put the filter in its tray. Then put the tray back in its slot. Close the glove box until the plastic tabs lock. Operation complete.